Welcome back to Spy Garage.
The 2026 BRABUS Motorhome Caravan is a bold entry into the ultra-luxury recreational vehicle market, skillfully fusing the roomy comfort of a custom motorhome with the performance-focused philosophy of BRABUS. Redefining the norms of mobile life, this projected vehicle capitalizes on BRABUS's reputation for high-performance automotive customization. The 2026 BRABUS Motorhome Caravan's appearance would demonstrate its powerful presence and aerodynamic efficiency. The vehicle's sculpted curves, which lower wind resistance and increase stability, would demonstrate BRABUS's proficiency in aerodynamic augmentation. BRABUS's trademark design features, like carbon fiber highlights, alloy wheels, and a unique front fascia, would be included into the RV. Lightweight, high-strength materials would be used in the chassis and body's engineering to ensure longevity and peak performance. It would be easy to incorporate features like external entertainment systems, motorized awnings, and a separate garage for a smaller performance car. The 2026 BRABUS Motorhome Caravan would have a high-performance drivetrain behind its opulent facade, most likely drawn from BRABUS's current engine tuning initiatives. Long-distance driving would be effortless with the power and torque of a highly tuned engine, possibly a turbocharged V8 or V12. An advanced suspension system that is adjusted for handling and comfort would make for a responsive and comfortable ride. The best grip and control would be guaranteed by a high-performance drivetrain that included an all-wheel drive system and a sophisticated transmission. An aura of unmatched luxury would be produced by specially designed interiors that use high-end materials like polished metals, exotic woods, and expensive leather. Cutting-edge technology. A seamless and connected living experience would be offered via an extensive suite of cutting-edge technologies, such as satellite connectivity, high-resolution entertainment systems, and smart home integration. Individual tastes would be accommodated with adaptable interior design, such as movable living areas and reconfigurable arrangements. To create a homey atmosphere, appliances that you would find in a luxury home would be installed. Market positioning and factors to take into account. At the top of the RV market, the 2026 BRABUS Motorhome Caravan would cater to affluent clients who want the highest level of performance and luxury. Important things to think about are: this campervan would be marketed as a luxury and sought-after automobile, with a price tag that matches its outstanding characteristics. Customization and exclusivity. Due to BRABUS's reputation for bespoke customization, clients could make the motorhome exactly how they want it, guaranteeing unmatched exclusivity. Performance and luxury balance. The car would achieve a fine balance between opulent living quarters and fast driving dynamics. The 2026 BRABUS Motorhome Caravan would essentially be a mobile masterpiece that pushes the limits of luxury travel by combining automotive artistry with innovative recreational vehicle technology.